Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of line in R3. So as per the problem, determine the value of k for which the direction vector of the lines are perpendicular. So we have to find the value of k for which the direction vectors of these two lines are perpendicular. These two equations are given to us in symmetric form. So the first step is to identify the direction vectors of these two lines. In a symmetric form, components of a direction vector are in the denominator of the fractions. This is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize. So let's start with the first line. The x component of the direction vector is k because that's the denominator in the x part of the equation. The y component of the direction vector is 2 because that's the denominator in the y part of the equation, and the z component of the direction vector is k minus 1 because that's the denominator in the z part of the equation. So this is the direction vector for the first line. Now we can find the direction vector of the second line. The x component is -2 because that's the denominator in the x part of the equation. The y part of the equation is not in symmetric form. It's in parametric form, and that's because the y component of the direction vector is 0. In symmetric form, we do not write 0 in the denominator, so that's why the y part of the equation is in parametric form. The z component of the direction vector is 1 because that's the denominator in the z part of the equation. So the direction vector of the second line is -2, 0, 1. Now we have to find the value of k that will make these direction vectors perpendicular. And we know that for perpendicular vectors, the dot product is equal to 0. So we'll use this concept to find the value of k. Now we can sub in the vectors. Now we can do the dot product for these vectors. So we should multiply their x, y, and z components. Now we can simplify the expression. K times -2 is -2k. 2 times 0 is 0. And we can multiply k minus 1 by 1. Now we can combine the like terms. Minus 2k plus k is equal to minus k. Now we have to isolate k. So we should add 1 to both sides. Now we can divide both sides by -1. K equals -1. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.